Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by charging the Razer headset to at least 50% battery. Keep the headset on a flat surface and close to the console within 3 feet. Power on your Xbox and check for system updates in settings. Install Razer Synapse on a PC or the Razer mobile app for firmware updates when needed. Connect via USB-C or the included wireless dongle, depending on your model. Note whether your headset uses Xbox Wireless 2, 4 GHz dongle or 3, 5mm jack. If your Razer headset supports Xbox Wireless, start by turning the console on. Press the console sync button and then press the headset sync until the LED blinks. For models with a 2, 4 GHz dongle, plug the USB dongle into the console USB port securely. Press the dongle connect button and then the headset connect button within 30 seconds. For a 3, 5mm connection, plug the cable into the Xbox controller and adjust chat volume. Wait for confirmation tones before testing game audio and chat. After pairing, open Xbox settings and go to General, then Volume and Audio Output. Set the headset audio to stereo uncompressed or enable Windows Sonic if preferred. Adjust headset chat mixer and microphone monitoring for comfortable levels. If you hear no audio, update the controller firmware in the Accessories app on Xbox. Try reconnecting by removing the dongle and reinserting after 10 seconds if using 2, 4 GHz. Factory reset the headset if problems persist, and then repeat the pairing steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.